Today, all eyes are on Mexico as manufacturing supply chains worldwide look for ways to reduce risk and remain competitive. As the U.S.'s largest manufacturing partner, Mexico's unprecedented industrial growth has created labor challenges and escalating costs in cities like Monterrey, Tijuana, and Ciudad Juarez, leaving manufacturers with few options for sustainable growth. Until now. Introducing Mexico's newest manufacturing community, Tetakawi, Mazatlan. Owned and operated by Mexico's most successful shelter company for nearly 40 years, Tetakawi has the vision and track record to help the industry move forward. Rich with an abundant and ambitious workforce and a strong educational ecosystem, Mazatlan is the alternative that the manufacturing sector has been searching for. We're not just building an industrial park, we're developing a fully serviced manufacturing community in Mazatlan. Our goal? To provide an environment that fosters operational predictability, where companies can focus on their core competency, manufacturing. Contact us today and discover firsthand how Mazatlan's workforce, coupled with Tetakawi's manufacturing community model, can provide your company with the scalability, predictability, and competitive edge it needs to succeed in Mexico.